Hello guys, welcome back na naman dito sa ating YouTube channel guys. Another day, another printing na naman tayo guys. So ito pala yung continuation ng ating ginawang jersey last time. Yung video na in-upload natin, ito yung continuation niya. Set pala yun guys, up and down yung in-order sa atin. So ito yung quality pa rin. Good quality, fine quality yung ano niya. Fine design yung ginawa ng artist natin. So ayan, makita niyo yung ano, detailed na mga design. Yan yung nasa software. So mas mabilis na yung production natin dito guys, which is makaproduce na tayo ng mabilisan kasi mas mabilis na yung printer na ginawa na ginamit natin dito. Yung ginawa natin ngayon mas mabilis na. Yan yung quality niya guys. So yung client pala is may pet sila ng mga koi fish, kaya yan yung pinagawa nila sa atin. Yan yung quality. So guys, this is Lad Support. Thank you for always tuning in our video. For more contents like this, just subscribe and visit our YouTube channel. And we have a lot of tutorial there for printing services, basic printing tutorial there. Mayroong heat press, mayroong printers na mga maliliit. So mayroon akong ginawang tutorial doon, cutter platter, mayroon din Kui Mini, especially for Kui brands, mga heat press, Kui brand na cutter platter, mayroon akong ginawang video doon guys. So guys, thank you for watching. This is Lad Support. See you next video guys. Bye guys.